Transfer files to USB stick windows. I want to take 4 designs and put them on a USB stick. You can left click the video at any time to pause if it's going too fast. I've circled the designs I want to transfer over. First, double left click your file folder. It's near the bottom on your taskbar. Insert your USB stick into the computer. It will show up on near the bottom of the side menu in your File Explorer. Alternatively, you can double left click this PC and all your extra storage and drivers will show up here, including your disk drive and your USB drive. Find your USB and right click. A pop-up menu will come up on the screen and we want to find Format on that menu. Once you've found Format, go ahead and left click it. It will open up the menu where you can choose FAT32 from File System. If you have any files on your USB you don't want to lose, save them to your documents first. We get a warning that tells us that it will erase everything. Select Start to begin formatting the stick. It may take a moment. We are now safe to transfer files to our USB. What a relief. We will need to reopen the USB folder by double-clicking the File Explorer and then double-clicking the USB folder. It closed during the format. Hold left-click to start highlighting on your desktop or background. Once you have highlighted the files that you want to transfer, you can left-click them and drag them to wherever you would like. You can drop them on the side menu or drop them straight into the folder. Letting go of left click will drop them into the designated folder. I made a mistake here by hitting a drop down menu and I couldn't find the USB menu again. Good thing I had the USB folder and could drop them directly in. Now for the most important step, ejecting the USB to maintain a healthy file transfer. Right click on the USB folder and select Eject from the menu. This will make sure our files are safe when the stick disconnects.